Hello, and welcome to the demo of Zeevou software, a property management system, channel manager, and direct booking website provider. Here, we have the Zeevou calendar view. Bookings from various platforms are displayed and can be identified by their logos. For instance, this is a Booking.com booking, and this one is from Airbnb. They're color-coded for easy reference. Red means not ready to check in. Yellow indicates almost ready, and green signifies that the guest can check in and receive check-in instructions. Hovering over these bookings reveals icons at the top. For example, a green $sign means the booking is paid, but some steps, like signing terms and conditions, are pending. A red $sign indicates unpaid bookings. Clicking on a booking opens a drawer with detailed information, such as the number of adults. From here, you can navigate to the inbox, cancel, duplicate, or split the booking into other units. The website calendar syncs with this calendar. So, a direct booking, like this example, will block that period on platforms like Booking.com and Airbnb in real time. To create a new booking or block dates, simply highlight the dates and proceed. You can also adjust prices by double-clicking on each rate next to the unit name, setting a new price, and saving it to update across channels. Different channels can have varied rates by adding a markup to your default Zeevou rate. Scrolling down shows other units, regardless of location, displayed on a central calendar. Clicking on a booking and navigating to the View Booking page provides an overview of the booking. There are other tabs here, for example Details, for checking arrival and departure times, Location, access codes, and sign terms and conditions. The Guests tab contains lead guest information, while the Finance tab shows the price breakdown of the booking, allowing accommodation rate changes, adding discounts, or upselling some add-ons. At last, we've got the Messaging tab. We can see the messages that have been already triggered and the ones that are waiting to be sent. Zeevou lets you share a confirmation link with your guests upon receiving a booking, and there will be a few steps. First of all, guests provide general information like first name, last name, date of birth, email, and they can also upload a document. You can ask for their purpose of stay, arrival and departure times, and upsell add-ons like an early check-in. Additional guest and children information can be requested. Guests then sign the terms and conditions remotely and receive a copy. If not paid on the channel, guests can pay directly. We do not charge any commission on the accommodation rate you receive from channels and direct bookings. Zeevou integrates with Stripe, SagePay, PayPal, and WorldPay online, allowing you to connect any of these accounts. To set up this confirmation process, please check this page. You can find the person booking information, and by turning on the toggles, the details will be added to the form. The Guest Info section collects lead guest details, with options for custom questions. Then we have the Terms and Conditions section, where you can make exceptions. If certain channels are not required to sign your terms and conditions, you can set these exceptions. Additionally, remember that you can upsell add-ons if this section is enabled. Some common add-ons include pet fees and extra cleaning fees. When you receive a booking from one of the channels, you can introduce your upsell add-ons through the confirmation link and collect payment directly. You can also add security deposit collection to your bookings. For example, if you enable the toggle for Airbnb and set the timeline in your Zeevou account for when the deposit should be pre-authorized and released, the system will automatically handle all the required steps. You can include the confirmation link in an automated message sent to guests. To set up automated messages, you need to specify when they should be sent, the conditions that must be met, and the message text. These messages can be scheduled for before arrival, after arrival, before departure, after departure, or on the booking creation day. Next, we can configure various conditions, such as selecting specific channels, triggering based on payment or security deposit status, targeting specific properties, guests, or guest tags. We can add and verify all these conditions. For example, we might specify conditions like when the booking channel is Airbnb, the booking has been fully paid, the security deposit has been provided, and the booking is for a specific property. In the message text, we can personalize the content using variables such as the guest's first name and the arrival date. Messages can be sent via email, SMS, or API, with history tracked in a unified inbox. For instance, this is an Airbnb booking. On the right side, I can view the booking details and see the messages sent thus far. You can also access text or API messages received from the Airbnb platform. The system integrates with Price Labs, but you have the flexibility to set your own rates. We offer rate rules, allowing dynamic rates instead of flat rates in your Zeevou account. In the listing section, you can add your listings to Zeevou, and they will automatically populate the website generated by Zeevou. Adding listings is straightforward. You can import them from Airbnb or add them directly here for distribution across our generated website. This website showcases your listings, where visitors can select units, view photos and descriptions, and complete their reservation. They can choose from different pricing models, select a desired plan, and make a reservation. On the right side, they can view a breakdown of costs, enter their details, and apply a voucher code for discounts. When guests click Finalize Reservation, they are directed to a confirmation page to complete the booking process and payment, ensuring a seamless experience without requiring any manual intervention. We have a task management module that automatically generates checkout and mid-stay tasks in Zeevou. When you input housekeeper information and specify their availability, tasks are assigned to available cleaners. They receive notifications on their mobile app, and you can monitor performance through the task dashboard. Clicking on a task reveals details such as estimated time, number of adults, and allows changes to assignees, timeframes, and status updates. Notes added for cleaners are received on their app, and you can also view their uploaded images or notes on your task dashboard. The system also generates comprehensive reporting graphs on revenue, profit, average daily rate, and occupancy. These reports can be exported for daily, weekly, and monthly views. If managing multiple owners, our system simplifies managing the management packages and contracts with different owners. At the end of each month, detailed reports can be generated, and we calculate your metrics based on the formula you've set in the system. This includes accommodations, upsells, expenses, and bookings for a specific month, allowing us to generate detailed reports. Zeevou aims to consolidate all the tools a manager needs into one simple platform. Ready to transform your hospitality business? Book a free demo now and discover how Zeevou can help you succeed.